friends, we don't have a poem today just because it's a short week. So instead, I decided just to get our picture cards. And what we're going to do is we're going to practice telling all the sounds you hear in a word. So you're going to listen to my word and then break it up and put a sound on each finger like we do in our classroom. So I say fists up. Good job. Our picture is bib. Tell me a sound, all the sounds you hear in bib. Ba, I, ba. Good job. Tell me all the sounds in fin. Fa, in. Tell me all the sounds in lip. L, I, pa. Tell me all the sounds you hear in pig. Pa, ig. Tell me all the sounds in lid. L, id. All the sounds you hear in pin. Pa, in. Good job. This time I'm going to show you the back of the card, and it already has the letters for you. The picture is there for clues, but if I'm sounding it out, I look at the letters and I get my mouth ready. Wa, ig, wig. That's like fake hair you can wear on your head. Now I'm going to challenge you. I'm going to cover up the picture, and I'm just going to show you the letters. I'm going to point and tell me each sound. Pa, I, ta, pa, it, pit. Oh, that's like the inside of a fruit. It's called the pit. Good. I notice that the beginning and the end are always blue, and the middle is red. Why do you think the middle letter is always red? It's a vowel. It's either A, E, I, O, or U. Good job. Let's practice 2 more reading the words. So I'm going to cover the picture, and then I'm going to have you sound out the word. Say the sounds with me. Ba, ox, box. Good job. It was a picture of a box. Let's do one more. I'm going to cover the picture. I'm going to point. Dog. Dog. Good job. These are consonant, vowel, consonant words that we're reading. And good readers practice these things when they're reading books too. All right, so instead of our poem, we did some sound work today. Bye, friends. Have a great day.